How to use Wise Card with Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you steps on how you can use Wise Card with Apple Pay. Well, to use Wise Card with Apple Pay, you will have to first add your Wise Card to Apple Wallet. Now you can either do it through the Wise application by simply opening up Wise app and then heading over to the cards and adding it to Apple Pay. However, if you want to do it through Apple Wallet, you can simply go ahead and open up the wallet on your iOS. Then you can simply tap on the plus icon there at the top of your screen, tap on add and go ahead and enter in your Wise card details and go to the prompts to add the card. So in my region itself, the Wise services is not available, so I won't be able to show you in detail, but I hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.